Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial. This is how to install the Quantico Momentum indicator. First things first, you're going to want to go to Products and then Supercharts. Then you're going to want to go to your top left, click on Symbol Search and type in NDX. Make sure it's the one that has the little 100, NASDAQ 100, and then the index is NASDAQ. After that, you're going to go to your time frame, select 1 minute, and then your indicators, invite only scripts, Quantico Momentum V3. You only need to click it once, it takes a while to load in. Now that you have your indicator up, let's configure the settings. So you're going to go down here to your bottom left and click on settings. We're going to start from the right. So we're going to go to style, and then this is purely based on choice. We recommend to have it off because then it clouds up too much of your workspace. So you're going to want to turn quantity off and then go to properties. And now your initial capital depends on how much margin we have. So we're going to go ahead and select 10,000. And now for your order size. This part is very important. So one NDX contract is worth $1 per point. If you only have a $1,000 margin, you will be trading a micro contract, so each point will be $2. So in order to make the results even, you need to change the order size to 2. We trade NASDAQ futures, so our pictures on our website are based off of one mini contract and a $10,000 margin, and so to make the amounts even, we need to change it to 20, which is the default for our results. Now, you're going to want to turn off pyramiding, make sure it's at 0. And then your fill orders on bar close. Next, you're going to want to go to inputs and your backtest start time. If you have the essential plan, it's only going to be for a month. So let me go ahead and select the first month. It's October for me. And now everything else you can leave the same until you get to time zone. Time zone, make sure it's at GMT -4 right here. It also needs to match with this, the UTC -4, which is New York. We need to make sure it matches so we get the same results. Now for your trading session, we have it from 9:31 to 12 and then from 1 to 3:59. Why? Because we have a little lunch break. That's when the market goes completely sideways and a lot of stops occur, and so we lose money. After that, we have the max intraday loss, which is 5,000, but don't need to worry because it won't ever get to that point. What happens is, if it ever does, we want to make sure that the trades keep going, even though it may be close. Now, after that, you're going to go to stop size filter points. This part is super important. With this filter, the indicator will not show you a trade if it's more than 30 or however many points you want. So, if you don't want a lot of risk, we can change it to 10 and look at the net profit on the bottom left change. Now that it's at 10, it's now at 3,633. However, if we don't have if we want to risk everything, then we would just simply turn it off. And as you can see, it's 13,747. We recommend you going with a little sweet number, like a 30, 40, 50. It really just depends on your preference and how much you want to risk. For this test, we will use 30. After that, you're going to go here and then save as default. Click OK, and there you go. You're all set. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.